Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. What's going on with your back? What happened?
I think it's more related with my occupation, like sitting in the computer. And then I have a really belly just sticking out. I don't know what is it causing, but I had this lower back pain for.
Okay. So and you are accountant. So you basically sitting in front of the computer. So how long has it been going on? How many years?
Well, if I remember right, at least 35 years.
35 years of back pain.
Well, it's right after my kidney failure, I had a bunch of prednisone, and then I become really overweight from steroids, and then I had to carry this very big belly, and I don't know if it's just like your there's zero
posture. Yeah. So 35 years, and what kind of treatment you had for your back?
Well, I just learned to deal with it. I just found.
Did you go to any healthcare providers, or you did any exercises?
I do exercise now, especially now daily. Just extend my back on the floor, just to, and then I do go to chiropractor.
For how long?
Well, that one just started recently. My previous chiropractors were all for my neck, but never was on the lower back.
So how much you rate your pain from 0 to 10 at worst, like when your pain is really bad?
Well, recently I was almost like 10. I couldn't move forward because pain was just immediate pinch,
spasm. Okay. So do you have constant pain?
No, but
just with the movement.
That's what I would say, but then I do have I do feel it maybe 2, 3, just lower dull pain. I just learned how to live with it. So
okay, and when you have that sharp, like that pain, like 10 out of 10, the sharp dull aching, does it go down to your legs or just?
No, it never went down. Yeah, just right here, localized, and it's just like after. Yogas or after sleep or just certain days, just I have that. And
you have that. And tell me if you feel pain from 0 to 10, how much pain?
Okay.
You're very flexible. That's a good range of motion. Okay, back. Did you feel pain with that?
Yeah.
Okay, go back.
Okay, that is a little bit stiff. So
this one you don't have really much range of motion here. How much from 0 to 10?
I mean, right at the moment, I can't feel too much pain.
Okay. Twist to the left and right. Side bend. I want you to go back more and tell me, because before the video that was aggravating your symptoms.
Oh yeah, I know.
How much from 0 to 10?
The pain, I don't know if it's pain, but it's very uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable? How much uncomfortable?
It's like I cannot move anymore back.
You're stuck.
Oh,
okay. Let's move forward. Okay. You feel this bumby area?
I do.
The binding, that's a scar tissue.
Okay.
Your muscle should feel nice and smooth. That's a binding. Nice and smooth.
Tight.
Where do you feel the tightness?
Right here.
Okay. How much from 0 to 10?
Maybe 4.
Okay, and go back. How's going to the back? How's that? You're going further. Look at this. That's your max. Yeah. How does the back feel? Twist left and right.
Move here.
Okay. So it's just bending forward now.
Yeah.
Is feel tight a little bit there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna put it there and leave it for 3 minutes, okay?
All right.
And see how we're doing afterward.
Okay.
So she's gonna leave it for 3 minutes. Okay, so we did the MagnaHeal Pro for 3 minutes to help with the mild inflammation. So let's bend forward and tell me how is your back feel?
Oh, feels good.
Any discomfort? It's okay.
It's good.
All right, you're dancing. Look at that. Okay,
Yeah.
back up. Extend. Go backwards. How's that?
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I
Yeah.
can't go back this much.
Yeah, we just did 3 minutes of MagnaHeal Pro. That's for mild inflammation. Twist left and right. Okay, how's that feel?
It feels good.
So you had back pain for 35 years and you had chiropractor, you did a lot of exercises.
Mm-hmm.
So we just worked on it for a few minutes here. What do you think about the ASTR treatment just working for a few minutes?
It's just unbelievable.
Yeah.
It can be this, you know.
Yeah,
This
look
is
at you
just-
moving fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm happy.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.